The streets are going to be controlled by military tanks and different military vehicles, okay? And also military buses and military trains and streetcars to round you up and take you to the nearest concentration camp. You're not going to be just riding around all day doing whatever the hell you want to do in America, okay? As well as the airwaves, okay? You're not going to be able to just get on a plane and just do whatever the hell you want to do and fly to this city, fly to that city, go international if you want, go to Paris, go to Puerto Rico. You're not going to be able to do those type of things. Okay, the airways are going to be completely controlled. You're going to be stuck wherever the hell you at when this executive order comes into play. Okay, as well as the water. Okay, they're going to control the water as well. Okay, you're going to be taking a damn shower all lathered up, got head and shoulders in your damn head and conditioner in your damn head, and then the water just going to be going to shut down and your eyes going to start burning. Okay, or you can be outside washing your Monte Carlo SS 85 or your Impala 96 SS or that new X6 that you got, or that rusty ass goddamn Cutlass that you got, or that rusty ass goddamn Ultima with the check engine light and the brake light on. You dig? Washing that beat up ass shit up, you know, and the water just shut down on your ass and it's all lathered up, got wax and whatever, you know, but you're just gonna have to deal with that. Now, also the water that you have stored inside of your homes. Okay, they're gonna be able to just come inside your damn house and take that shit and confiscate it. Okay, anything that is ingested into your body for food or for animal or human, they're gonna be able to confiscate that, as well as food. They're gonna be able to just come inside your house and take your shit. Okay, farmers, they're gonna be able to just take over the whole damn farm, take over the whole Walmart, take over the whole Winn-Dixie, whatever neighborhood grocery store that you have. Okay, as well as we can talk about the health program. You're not gonna be able to just go to the doctor whenever the hell you want to. Okay, you're gonna be getting a microchip.